Welcome to our lesson on operators in Dart, essential tools for performing various operations on data. Today, we'll delve into the different types of operators available in Dart. Operators are fundamental in programming, enabling us to perform mathematical, logical, and relational operations on data. Understanding the types and usage of operators is crucial for effective programming in Dart. Dart provides various types of operators. Arithmetic, used for basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Assignment, assigns values to variables using operators like equal sign, plus equals, dash equals, etc. Comparison, compares values and returns a Boolean result using operators such as equal sign, is not equal to sign, greater than sign, less than sign, etc. Logical, performs logical operations like and, or, exclamation point. Not. Others, includes bitwise, conditional, and null-aware operators, each serving specific purposes. Arithmetic operators in Dart are used for basic mathematical computations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, and more. Let's explore how these operators are used in Dart. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Dart offers shorthand notations for assignment operations like plus equals, dash equals, asterisk equals, forward slash equals, etc. Let's see examples of these operators in action. Comparison operators are used to compare values. Dart's comparison operators, such as equal sign, is not equal to sign, greater than sign, less than sign, etc., help in evaluating conditions and returning Boolean values based on comparisons. Logical operators in Dart perform logical operations on Boolean values. And, or, and exclamation point. Not, are used to create complex conditions. Let's explore how these operators work. Dart also provides bitwise operators like and, caret, conditional operators like x for 1, x for 2 foot, and null-aware operators like question mark and equals. These operators serve specific purposes in Dart programming. Adhering to best practices ensures efficient and readable code. 1. Use parentheses to clarify complex expressions. 2. Use operators judiciously to enhance code readability. 3. Understand operator precedence and associativity to avoid unexpected results. As we conclude, operators are powerful tools in Dart, enabling a wide range of operations on data. Mastery of these operators enhances coding efficiency and precision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!